What's up everybody, this is Dave Pepper bringing you the final part of the 2017 Jeep Compass. Guess what? Look at here. It's gone! And the guy who bought it gave me a present. Look at that. It's all done and all gone. Bye-bye. That's the whole goal. Find it, build it, and sell it fast. So it's already gone. It's easy sell. I mean, it should be because the factor of has so many low mileage, not fully loaded, but it's the high altitude, not the high altitude premium. So people love it, and it's a good color combination, and it's gone. It's a good car. It's 4x4 leather. Everything you wanted is there. It's gone. But if you guys can't remember how it looks like, this is how it looked like it used to.
Okay. Dancing beat. Hi everyone.
And you probably saw in the beginning of the video how the final product of the car. And let's go on detail how all the stuff we did and how it finally looked like after from that wreck to this one. And it's finally done. This is the 2017 Jeep Compass. It's done. The whole front end was gone, but we fixed it. And it's pretty cold, so I'm not gonna go outside. My hands are frozen because I was outside. So what we did, we pretty much, I know I have to show you guys, in the earlier ones I show you guys pictures of the damage and everything. But it's done. So we got the bumper from the dealer, the hood and everything. Most of the stuff I bought it from the dealer. The interior is leather. I'm putting a light so you guys can clearly see, and I put a cover over there so my beautiful Compass ain't gonna get dirty with people getting in. Look at it, it's so pretty, so nice. And just a dog. So I hope you guys enjoy that clip. It's already done. It's a pretty easy fix. I bought it locally. Normally I don't buy it locally, but I found it pretty good deal on it. I snatch it and it's gone. I'm pretty happy. Make some good money. That's the whole key point in here. Making good money. That's all. Do your research what to buy, how to buy it, and what kind of condition they are, and the ultimate goal is to sell it fast. Guys, it's gone. So the 2017 Jeep Compass is bye-bye. So the next build going to be 2016 Jeep Cherokee. I bought the car and I'm waiting on its arrival. It's a rear end Jeep Cherokee. So guys, stay with me and hit the subscribe button and smash that bell. If you guys want to see a sneak peek how the Jeep Cherokee looks like, it's gonna be like this.
Okay. Dancing beat. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend, back in town again. Hi everyone, I'm your
I hope you guys enjoy that small clip. Let's see you guys on next week with the 2016 Jeep Cherokee rebuild. This is Dave Pepper signing out. I see you guys next week. See ya.